Hello team, this video tutorial will show you how to upgrade GLPI IT management system from version 10 to 11. Okay, now I log into GLPI version 10. Let's see to your about GLPI 10.0.6. Okay, and I have the ticket. I have created many testing tickets. 101 and my asset computer I have many copy 101. To assume that we have the document and we have the data to migrate to GLPI version 11. To make it work, we need to go through to the guideline, and this is my guideline that I have experienced with many issues and I have noted in my document, and I would like to share everybody to for the useful of using GLPI and upgrade. Okay, and now we go through the backup. The three things we need to make the backup before we migration. We go to the GLPI version 10. If you have the Docker, you can use Docker. And first we need to back up the plugin, and then we need to back up the file, and third we need to back up the config file. Okay, the config folder, it is very important for migration because it has the security key and the database configuration. If you don't copy the security key when you migrate to GLPI version 11, it will have some error. Simple when you integrate with the LDAP, you need to security key to make the communication between old database and new database. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, first we need to back up the plugin. Okay, pass here, and second back up the file. Okay, and second third back up the config file. Okay, ls, and after that you back up the MariaDB or the GLPI database. Okay, assume I have the root password for the root database. This is my testing only. If you run in production, you use the secure password. Okay, I copy here and pass. Now we back up the GLPI database already. Let's see it. Okay, this is the GLPI backup SQL. It is very small amount. If you use the GLPI system that have many data, it may be take too long because it has many data and the file is big. This is the testing only. I just create some data in computer and ticket. Okay, and after we back up all the file and database, we can shut down GLPI version 10. Okay, I have GLPI version 10 docker compose down. Okay, okay, let's refresh the page. As I see, it is not working. Okay, and then you need to open up GLPI version 11. I already built it. Okay, and this is my compose. Okay, compose. One more thing, I have upload this I made to my repository in Docker Hub. You can pull and using it. This is my repository, and this is my GLPI. This is the take. Okay, you can use it. So we need to Docker compose up MariaDB. to open up the GLPI version 11 docker ps. Okay, we can see two image container is running. Let's refresh it. Okay, this is the installation page, but do not do anything yet. You need to restore your GLPI version 10 database to GLPI version 11. Okay, so let's get started. cd outside. Okay, this is my GLPI backup actual. You need to copy to the container of the database new version of GLPI. Okay, docker cp GLPI backup, and you need to access to the container here. Copy in GLPI db semicolon slash. You can put the same name with extension actual. Okay, you can see successfully copy in here. Okay, after that you need to go to restore. This is we copy already, and then we go inside the GLPI db. Okay, and then you need to restore the database. Let's see ls. This is we just copy here, and this is my root password of the database for testing only. If you use the production, you need to put the secure password, copy and pass. Okay, waiting a bit, the database is restored. Okay, you can refresh the page. Okay, and go to install page, click OK, continue. You will see these two buttons. One is install and second is upgrade. The first thing you need to do, you need to press the upgrade. Okay, everything is alright. Click continue and put your actual server. Okay, this is my user, actual user, and password. Okay, and you need to choose the existing database. Click continue. Warning, you are about to update the following GLPI database. Okay, click continue, and it said database connection successfully. The database version seems correct. 10/22 perfect. Missing security key file. Okay, this is here. Let's copy. Okay, and then you need to find exit. Okay, you need to copy from this folder. Okay, you need to copy here to the GLPI app of the version 11. Okay, docker cp GLPI. Okay, and pass that we just here. Okay, we can see successfully copy. Okay, so let's refresh the page or try again. Okay, now we can see the database is progress for upgrade. Click continue. Everything is alright. Click use GLPI and log in. GLPI user GLPI. Okay, we can see the database has restored. Set computer, we can see 101, and assistant ticket, you see the same, and the GLPI version was upgraded. Okay, fine. Now it was upgraded successfully. You can check it. Okay, now that's all from the tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Please don't forget to hit subscribe for more.